Alright, so ito na po yung pangatlong sikreto sa success, compensation plan. Yan, okay guys. Maraming magagandang compensation plan. Pero kaya nyo bang i-explain? Kaya nyo ba i-explain? Kung hindi nyo kaya i-explain, hindi maganda yan. Okay? Hindi maganda yan. Lalo na yung mga 13 ways to earn, 15 ways, 21 ways to earn. Oh my goodness. Okay? Tayo guys, napakasimple lang. Okay? Ang compensation plan natin dito, ito, Fast Start Commission. Ang Fast Start Commission, ito po yung mas kilala sa referral bonus. Hindi po kasama dito yung starter entry. So dapat higher entry ka, standard, premium at VIP. So for example, may madidirect ka, okay? Depende po ito sa package na i-avail nyo. So kung kayo po ay naka-VIP at may nadirect po kayo, okay, may nadirect kayo, alright, you get 30%. So ibig sabihin kapag may nadirect kang standard, may 750 ka. May nadirect kang premium, may 1650 ka. At may VIP ka na nadirect, 2,850. Ganyan lang po kasimple. O, walang pairing po dyan, ha? Ngayon, kapag yung mga direct mo, gusto na mag-direct, kung gusto mo kumita, magpa-promote ka to senior director. O, so, 10% pag senior director ka, ito po yun. Okay? Kapag kayo naman po ay executive director, hanggang 4th level may kita ka. Ibig sabihin, direct, non-direct mo, may kita ka 5%. Okay? Then, kapag kayo po ay national director, another 5% hanggang 6th level. Kapag kayo po ay corporate director, hanggang 8th level, 5%. At kapag kayo po ay presidential director, hanggang 10th level, 5% po ulit yan. So, napakadaling unawain, no? Ang daling i-explain, alam mo yun, napakasimple. Kung kunwari, may kausap ka, magkano makukuha ko kapag may na-refer ako, may napasubscribe ako? Anong package yan, pare? Standard. Meron ka 750 kung standard ka din. Okay, paano pag nag-premium ako, tapos nag-premium din yung kausap ko? Meron kang 1650. Ganun lang. Okay? Kasi nga po, walang pairing po dito. So, unlimited income, no pairing, no flash out, no points waiting, no fifth pair, no GC, and this is paid every next Thursday. So, ganun lang po kasimple explain ang ating Fast Start Commission. Alright?